Hello and welcome back to another exciting session. I'm your host Maheshkariya. You're watching me on YouTube now, and in this today's session, I'm gonna take you through. I'm gonna tell you something, guys. Python 4 is not arriving anytime soon. That's what we know already. So, if you guys are not familiar with that, let me tell you. I have just gone through videos of official creator of Python, and it was a 1 year before video, and where he told us about why Python 4 will not arrive anytime soon, and why it is and how much time it will take. So if I search here about Python 4 will, so you will say you will there is the mostly searched keyword is will never arrive, because uh, according to them, they have said that to migrate from 2 to Python 3, uh, they faced many issues, I guess. And so from, if I search on Python only, uh, Python on Python official site, so you can see the version over here in all the releases, where we have versions which is in the series of 9. Okay, so yeah, this one, let me resize this screen quickly. So this is 10.6, okay, 10.5, 9.13, 10 point somethings, and on and on and on. So this is how they're following, and I'm not sure like where it will end. So but even though it's a series of 3.9, I guess, and 3.9 will keep going on and on and on until 99, and until after that, I guess they will uh introduce the 4, or may not be, because they have a strong like release date of every 1 year that they say. So even though if I can see there are multiple bug fixes and security patch ups are going on here on monthly basis, but if you can see here, if I search Python 4 release date, okay, you will see lots of blogs that they're saying that according to this Tech Republic, let's say, Python 4 will never arrive. Python 4, yeah, this one. So the official video is also there. So I'll put a link in the description where the creator of Python said that it's not going to arrive anytime soon, or probably not. So I'm not sure why, but someday somebody, I don't know who, will. It's a sad news, I guess. I'm not sure, but here you can see Python 4 is will not arrive. Uh, why Python 4 won't be like Python 3, and I'm not sure about this. So simply, if you search on YouTube, uh, you will come to know that Python 4 will not arrive anytime soon. So let it be. The connection is not good, I guess. Let me search for Python 4. Okay, and you will get this video. You can watch this video actually. It is from Microsoft Refactor, where the he mentioned that why Python 4 will not arrive. So yeah, this is it. uh, I guess we can stop here, and thank you so much for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. I haven't enjoyed yet. Okay, so April Fool was somebody uh, made the video on. Okay, so thank you so much. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't already. Smash that like button, and yeah, bye bye.